Hey William, this is a quick demo video for you for your fallen Saber that you just bought from me. Wanted to go over some functionalities with you and just, how I installed it, just in case you had any questions. Hopefully this video is something that you can refer back to. I did weather it like I showed you in the pictures. I did a slight flare up on the piece that's broken up here. Not too much though. I didn't want it to catch your hand, but just enough to where I thought it looked cool, right? This part does unscrew, but you don't have to do that because this whole handle unscrews. This main button here is your activation, and then this small button down here is your auxiliary. You do have a Shtok NPXL in there, so we'll just unscrew this handle real quick, just like this. The chassis I made for this, of course, holds the battery, the board, and your two switches. Everything is encased into this chassis. So underneath these two greeblies here are set screws that hold the chassis in place, and then these two greeblies are adhesed in place because that's the only way to put them on. But there should be no reason to ever take the chassis out. As you can see right there, you've got easy access to your CFX SD card, so you can pop it in and out right there without having to do anything. Here's your battery. You're always going to want to put your negative side towards your spring. If you put this in backwards, you're going to fry the board, so make sure that that negative side right here goes towards your spring, like this.
I will not fail you, my master.
And just slide it in. Screw it back on. Activation. Pretty loud. Tap auxiliary for blaster deflect. I'll actually put this, I have a little test blade, I'll put it in so that you can see what I'm talking about. And you do have a blade retention screw. I'm not using it, but to hold your blade in, you get that blade retention screw right there. Okay, so we'll put the, we'll turn it on.
I will not fail you, my master.
Now to change blade colors, you're going to want to hold down the auxiliary and twist your wrist like this.
Spectrum.
Now you can twist the hilt to change colors. When you find one that you like, just tap a button, and there you go. To change blade effects, because this is kind of an unstable blade, hold down the auxiliary and twist your wrist, but keep the button held down until you hear this.
Spectrum. Blade profiles.
Now you can let go, and now you can twist the hilt again to cycle through your different blade effects until you find something that you like. There's a rainbow blade. There's all kinds of stuff on here. You find something you like, just tap a button, either button, and then when you turn it back on, it will remember that blade effect and that color. So that's a quick rundown of your Saber, sir. If you got any questions, let me know. Like we talked about, you will need an external battery charger for this guy, but I find that the removable batteries are a lot better than recharge ports, because you could buy several of these. They're only like 15 bucks a piece, and pop them in and out and keep going. I did put Fallen Order on one side of the chassis, and then I put my company name, Solo Sabers, on the other side. So I hope you enjoy this. It's a great hilt. Make a good piece to anybody's collection, and I'll get it out in the mail to you today with a tracking number. Thanks.